Dito ko na ina-adjust yung volume ng music. Ayan, napakadali na lang niya i-adjust, guys. Hi everyone, I'm Andy, your favorite cover girl, and I'm gonna cover The Gift. I'm using King Sound Card version 4 in apple green color. We have several colors. Ito po yung nakasaksak microphone. Ito po nakasaksak ang earphones. Ito po nakasaksak ang cellphone. When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray I will find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is humor every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave a love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift. Hey! Again, I'm Andy, your favorite cover girl, and I'm using Andy audio equipment. So makikita nyo, dito ko na ina-adjust yung volume ng music. Ayan, napakadali na lang niya i-adjust, guys. Tapos ito, pwede ko adjust yung microphone, pwede kong hinaan, pwede kong lakasan. Gusto kong lagyan ng mga sound effects, pwede ko rin lagyan ng sound effects. Tapos pwede kong i-adjust yung mga ito ko na ako madaling araw. And showed me how to love unselfishly. Hi everyone, I'm Andy, your favorite cover girl, and I'm using King Sound Card from Andy Audio Equipment. Nakasaksak po yung microphone dito, nakasaksak po yung earphones dito, nakasaksak po yung cellphone dito. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Dito ko po ina-adjust yung music. Ayan, pwede gusto kong lakasan, malalakasan ko siya. Gawin natin 3 PM. Ayan. 2 na lang pala. Ayan. And showed me how to love unselfishly.